In this video, we're going to discuss how a skills check works in an assessment or a treatment case. So I am in Pat's assessment, and when I go to the assessment, if I choose behavioral and a parenting skills assessment, this is an assessment that I'm going to choose. I can read about it, click administer, and I'm getting the results, and it's up to me to interpret those results. So here I can see that the results indicate acceptable ratings in all areas of measurement for a parenting skills assessment. That information also shows up in my clipboard. But if I do a needs analysis and I click administer, now I'm going to be given multiple choice questions that I'm going to need to answer. Now you can see how many slides are here for this skills check down here in this bottom corner. So I have 1 of 8 slides, and then I need to answer the questions. So what portions of the case help you complete a biopsychosocial, spiritual, cultural analysis? And we'll answer the question. And then when I'm in learning mode, I can get feedback here. Move to the next slide after answering the questions. So now I would continue answering the questions as I go through. You'll also notice that sometimes you'll need to scroll down to see all of the questions. So if I submit my case, I'll see that now there's assessments and there's also skills check. Okay, so you're getting scored on 2 things when there's a skills check involved, and there may be multiple skills checks. They will be listed down here, and your scores on those individual items will be here. When you restart the case and start it back in learning mode, you can save this information, and we can just restart. And you'll notice that that was saved. And then when I go back to the
Pat's
skills
is
check
scheduled for
for
a
the needs analysis and click re-administer, my answers are saved. I can just click through to the next slide and continue answering questions. If you want to reset this, you can restart the simulation, start it back in learning mode, and then click this button. Now, bear in mind, this will take away the assessments that you've chosen, as well as the skills check information that you've entered when you do this. If you make a mistake, you can always click it again, and it'll bring that information back. And that's how a skills check works in an assessment or treatment simulation.